How much should you actually spend on an air fryer toaster oven combo? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. First up is the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $191.99. What caught my eye is its 8-in-1 functionality, making it a real contender in the kitchen. If you want versatility with air frying, broiling, and even baking, this one is worth a serious look. With a spacious 0.6 cubic feet, you can fit up to 6 slices of bread or a 12-inch pizza. Plus, the adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer help you get just the right level of crispiness. It's got solid ratings too, with 4.4 stars from over 7,000 reviews, so you know it's popular. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for 1 or 2, it's perfect. It's compact enough for small kitchens but still packs a punch. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different cooking styles without needing multiple devices. Skip this one if you often cook for larger gatherings, as the capacity might limit you. For the price, you're getting a lot of functionality here. Product number 2, Kasari TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Next is the Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, coming in at an impressive $99.99. This one really stood out with its quick cooking capabilities and less oil usage. If you're looking for a reliable workhorse that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth checking out. You can whip up family meals in no time, and with 95% less oil, you can enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. This model has a 4.8-star rating from nearly 20,000 reviews. That's a lot of happy cooks. However, some users mentioned they had issues with the non-stick coating wearing off over time. But honestly, if you're careful with your utensils and follow the cleaning instructions, it's not a deal breaker. It still delivers great results and saves you time. This is perfect for busy families who want quick, healthy meals. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional oven feel, as its compact design might not meet those expectations. For the price, the value is fantastic. Product number 3, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Now let's talk about the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $159.95. I was impressed by its compact design that flips up for easy storage, which is great if you're short on counter space. If you want something that delivers on versatility while saving space, this one's a solid pick. It can handle up to 4 pounds of ingredients or a 12-inch pizza, which is fantastic for family meals. Plus, it's 80% more energy efficient than a traditional oven, saving you money on those energy bills. With a rating of 4.6 stars from 29,500 reviews, it's definitely a crowd pleaser. Some users did point out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking in a busy kitchen, it might not be as noticeable. The efficiency and cooking capabilities more than make up for it. This is perfect for small families or anyone living in an apartment. Skip this one if you need a super quiet appliance, as the noise might be a concern. You're getting great value for your money with this one. Product number 4, Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. Next up is the Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven, available for $229. This one caught my attention with its larger capacity and advanced digital controls. If you want more precise cooking options, this model is definitely worth a look. It features digital crisp control technology, which allows for ultimate temperature and airflow control. With a capacity that fits up to 9 slices of toast or a 13-inch pizza, it's great for family meals and gatherings. It also has a similar 4.6-star rating with nearly 30,000 reviews, so people are really happy with it. However, some users mentioned the price is a bit on the higher side compared to other models. But honestly, if you value precision and versatility in your cooking, the investment is worth it. It's a powerful appliance that can replace several others in your kitchen. This is perfect for serious home cooks who want more control over their meals. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, as it might stretch your wallet a bit. But for the features, it's a great investment. Product number 5, Emerald Lagos Extra Large Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Emerald Lagos Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven, priced at $197.99. This one is quite impressive with its 24 cooking functions. If you want a multifunctional device that takes cooking to the next level, you might want to check this out. With a 26 QT capacity, it's perfect for larger families or gatherings. The dual-speed fan allows for even cooking, while the sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Plus, the automatic shut-off feature when toasting means no more burnt toast. It boasts a solid 4.4 stars from 16,600 reviews, making it a popular choice. Some users did find it a bit bulky for their kitchens. But let's be real, if you're someone who loves to cook and entertain, the size pays off with its performance and functionality. This is perfect for anyone who enjoys hosting and needs a reliable appliance that can do it all. Skip this one if you have limited countertop space, as it might take up a bit more room. For the features you're getting, it's a great value. So there you have it, the top 5 air fryer toaster oven combos. The Cuisinart and Kasari are fantastic for versatility and budget, while the Ninja options provide more space and precision. Finally, the Emerald is perfect for those who love to host. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your kitchen best.